Hi everyone. Today I want to share a calm, thoughtful English session with you. This space is where we speak freely, reflect clearly, and grow our confidence one conversation at a time. So settle in, relax your mind, and let the language flow naturally through you. You know, whenever I think about improving English, I remind myself that the journey is not about pressure, it's about presence. When you are present in the moment, listening carefully, and speaking honestly, everything becomes easier. Literally, everything. So you begin to understand your own voice and appreciate the progress you are making, even if it feels slow. We often believe that we must speak fast to sound fluent, but real fluency has nothing to do with the speed. It has everything to do with the clarity. When you give yourself permission to speak slowly, your thoughts settle, your mind opens up, and your sentences form naturally. You feel more in control of what you are saying. There have been the days when words feel stuck, when forming even a single sentence seems difficult. And that's all right, it's absolutely all right. Growth is never a straight line, it has always been with the ups and downs. Some days are going to be smooth, some days are challenging, but every day adds something to your journey. What matters is that you keep showing up. I have learned that confidence is built through small victories. The moment you speak without overthinking, the moment you express a thought clearly, or even the moment you understand something you previously struggled with, these are the wins. And every win adds strength to your voice. English becomes a comfortable part of your life when you stop treating it like a test and start treating it like a conversation. You don't need perfect grammar to express your emotions, your ideas, or your experiences. You just need honesty and consistency. Today, as I speak with you, I am choosing to be genuine. I am choosing to let my words come from a place of ease, and I hope you also give yourself the freedom to speak without fear, to learn without judgment, and to grow without rushing. Your voice deserves patience, your journey deserves respect. Every time you listen, you strengthen your connection with the language. Keep speaking, keep exploring, and keep trusting the path you are on. If you enjoy these calm, natural English sessions, come back for more. This is Ridhima. You are watching English Explorers. I look forward to speaking with you again in the next session.